back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Vectrus. Now, Vectrus has 695 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. Now, Glassdoor is saying Vectrus is now known as V2X. The V probably also stands for Vectrus. So I did also look up V2X on Glassdoor. They have 55 reviews with a 3.6 out of 5 star rating. So no matter what name this company goes by, their rating is about 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an accounts payable administrator. Now, this is eligible for remote work from home. They do not state that they have any state restrictions in the job description, but please be mindful that I only share what I find online. I don't work for any of these companies, and I don't have additional information outside of what is posted in the job listing. But they are basically looking for an accounts payable administrator to be responsible for the delivery of services relating to their accounts payable programs. You'll utilize the accounts payable systems for invoice processing. You're going to identify transactions requiring their exception handling and route those transactions to the appropriate team. You're going to process payments, including checks, ACH, and EFTs. You'll process stop payments, void issuances, reversing transactions, and other adjusting entries. So you're going to assist with AP closings and related activities, and you'll aid in the training of the AP employees. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. While they prefer an associate's degree, the only requirement is a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has 2 years experience in accounts payable, but that is not required either. They do require you to have proficient knowledge in Microsoft Office applications, including Word and Excel, someone who has great communication and problem-solving skills, someone who can be a multitasker and can be dependable and reliable. Now, of course, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience. They pay anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year. They offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you have any suggestions on how I can make this channel better for you, leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.